welcome back. This is Gigi from Gigi's Retirement Budgets, and in this video I'm going to be planning my retirement military paycheck. And so if you've been following along, I've been doing my monthly money plan. So we started out with the calendar where we put our all our paydays, all our bills and their due dates, and then we color-coded which paycheck is going to pay for which bills. Then I did the intentional living worksheet, which you need to do before you start on your money plan for every month. And then I did my monthly plan, which included all my income, all my bills, all my sinking funds, cash envelopes, all that, right? For the whole entire month. Now we break it down by paycheck. So this one I'm going to be doing my military paycheck. So it is the first paycheck of the month. So I'm going to include the rollover amount that I had put in the monthly. That was my leftover Christmas money that I moved from Ally to my checking account. I've already spent that now with Christmas shopping since then. And then my military retirement paycheck, which is $1,228 a month, plus $290, $1,518. Okay, so my essentials are rent for $590. I had to help my daughter pay her rent, so I had to pay $130 for her. So I might be confusing you. So hang on. I've been really sick for a week. So I filmed like 5 videos before I got sick of this whole entire process. And then when I went to edit them, I saw that the lighting, my ring light, was super bright. My granddaughter had been playing at my desk, and you couldn't see anything on the page. So then I got sick, and I couldn't refilm these. So today is the 8th of December. I got paid my military retirement. Technically, I get on the 1st, but I usually get it like a few days ahead of time. So I think I got it on like the 29th or the 30th. So a lot of this has already been spent, but I want to go through the process with you. And in fact, today I got paid my Social Security check, which I'm also going to be doing a video on that today. I'm trying to do a bunch of videos today. All right. And then if you saw in my monthly video, I've now moved a lot of my, well, not a lot because I don't have a lot, but the debt and some of my variable expenses over to essentials because that's where it actually belongs. So PG&E payment plan, $8. And then, let me see this. Gas is 100. Groceries is 200. And I think that's that for here for this paycheck. Then I have to pay the CA state tax on the first day of the month, and that already came out of my account. Okay. And then the only bills I've paid is Canva, and it's not actually on here. I stopped my my Printful account, and I put my Shopify account on hold. So in order to keep it open and I don't lose everything I did, I have to pay $9 a month. So those have already come out. All right. So let's see, $590 plus $130 plus $8 plus $100 plus $200 equals $1,028.69. And then this is 22. 1518. 1518. Well, here, let me put on here Christmas $290 because I've already I'm finished Christmas shopping. I've already spent all that. 1518 minus 1028 minus 69 minus 22 minus 290 equals, I have $109 left over. I put, let's see, I did pets for 60. So that leaves me $49. This is the reality of what actually happened. I am a zero-based budgeter, so I usually plan it down to the $0, but I've been flying by the seat of my pants for the last week because I've been so sick. Plus, I was trying to figure out in my paycheck how much money I actually have left before my Social Security hit, because I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon for Christmas presents, and they only take it out of your account when they ship it. So some stuff hasn't shipped yet. So I'm still trying to figure out how much I still have in there and how much I need to just make sure I don't go over. So it's a little bit of a kerfuffle this month. All right, so I'm just going to leave that 49 hanging out there. So that is $350. Okay. So that is my military retirement paycheck as it is as of this month of like what's already happened. And then I will just show you the very, very, very small cash plan I did for that. Love, Lavender and Gigi.